Yes, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this equation. We have 2 exponent t, which is equal to t exponent 32. And in this case, we are solving for 32. Okay, so you can see that 2 exponent t is equal to t exponent 32. From here, let us multiply both sides by 1 over t, okay, to the exponent. Please, if today is your first time, please kindly subscribe to our channel so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So from here, you can see that we have t exponent 2 exponent t multiplied by 1 over t, which is equal to t exponent 32 multiplied by 1 over t. So this t will take off this. So we have 2 is equal to, and then we are going to get t 32 times 1 is 32 over t. From here, what we need to do is to work on t exponent 32 over t. So we have, what we have to do next is multiply both sides of the equation by exponent of 1 on 32. So we are going to get 2 exponent 1 and 32, which is equal to t exponent 32 over t, or exponent 1 on 32. Okay, so we have 2 exponent 1 on 32 is equal to t exponent 32 on t multiplying by 1 over 32. So from here, you can see that this 32 will cancel this. Okay, so we have 2 exponent 1 on 32, which is equal to t exponent 1 t. Okay, now let us try to work on this to look like the right hand side. Okay, so from here, we have 1. Okay, it's the same as 1, 8 over 8, which is the same as 1. Okay, so you can say that 2 exponent 1 and 32 multiplied by 8 on 8 is equal to t exponent 1 on t. Okay, so from here, you say that 2 exponents, this one needs to be 1 times 8, which is 8 on 32 times 8 is 256. Is equal to t exponent 1 on 2. Okay, so from here, this one we can rewrite it as 2 exponent 8 into bracket 1 exponent 256, and it's equal to t exponent 1 on t. Okay, and now 2 exponent 8 is the same as 256 bracket 1 on 256, and it's equal to t exponent 1 over t. By removing the brackets, we are going to get 256 exponent 1 on 256, which is equal to t 1 exponent t. Now, let us compare the left hand side to the right hand side. You can see that 256 is the same as this, and t is the same as this. So we say that 1 on 256 is equal to 1 on t. So we say that t is equal to 256. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.